Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Motorola Moto G23. And to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers. So first one is on the top right here, that's a phone call speaker. Another one can be found on the bottom, which is the main speaker. Now, to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of these speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. So now let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming from both of the sources, and that confirms that this device has the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.